Hello everybody, how you doing today? We got us a bit of a unexpected unboxing. I got a gift in the mail from a Jim Tedesco, Millennium County Railroad. And yeah, I did not expect it. Let's turn that light on. So let's see what he sent. He sent some railroad, some Tedesco. Sent a bunch of track and some roads. It's awesome. Really, really awesome. I definitely need some of these. Awesome, Jim. I appreciate that. I will be putting those on the track shortly. Thank you very much. That's really cool. Unexpected and really cool. So hey everybody, go check out Jim Tedesco's channel. He does a lot of real cool model railroading. He is adding a bunch of new track and upper level he's readjusting. Again, it's Jim Tedesco of Millennium County Railroad. Got a piece of paper here. These things from track, you have to use them. So I pick them, make you receive them. Hope you have stuff you can maybe donate to somebody else. Thank you, Jim Tedesco. Well, thank you, Jim. I appreciate it very much.